I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to remove a card from your TaskRabbit account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TaskRabbit app. Launch the TaskRabbit app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your payment settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or menu in the top corner to access your account settings. This is where you can manage your payment methods. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the account settings, find and select the Payment Methods option. This will show you all the cards linked to your account. Step 4. Choose a card to remove. Look through your list of saved cards and select the one you want to remove. You might need to tap on the card to see more options. Step 5. Confirm removal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. I hope this guide helps you manage your TaskRabbit account more easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.